What's up everyone, my name is Brian and this is the introductory video for IS 502 Practices of Community, and I am currently at a Starbucks shop recording this, and it's typically not normal for me to be in a coffee shop. Typically I'm in my home doing a lot of my homework, but I'm running into some internet problems, so we're troubleshooting that. So typically you find I'll be doing my videos in my home, so this is unique in itself, but just kind of rolling with the punches with internet connection. My current context, I'm living in Southern California in a small beach town called Imperial Beach, so that's south of San Diego on the border of Tijuana, Mexico. And in my ministry, the programs that I'm most connected and affiliated with is with an organization called FaithRx, and FaithRx is a faith-based fitness ministry that uses fitness as a medium to connect to believers and unbelievers. We meet every other week in a CrossFit gym in Coronado, California, and we've developed kind of a rapport where they've blessed me with the opportunity, the Lord has blessed me with the opportunity to use that as a platform to apply some of these teachings from Fuller. So I'm teaching, I'm preaching, public reading of Scripture. We've done some Lectio Divina sessions, as well as some good workouts for everyone. And over the past several months, we've been crossing the border into Tijuana, Mexico, and doing something very similar there out of a CrossFit gym. And it just provided a very humbling experience to see another culture, and is obviously very different than the American San Diego lifestyle. A border town of Tijuana is wrought with oppression, and the living conditions are very different. So kind of unique because it's living on the border, so there's really two nations that are kind of commingling here, and I'm looking to kind of deepen my understanding of community and maybe how we can better bridge that gap rather than build those walls that are so present now. I'm hoping for everyone in this class too to develop a deeper sense of community and connection with one another, and hope everyone has a blessed fall semester.